Good afternoon and welcome to NDTV. I am Ankit Tyagi. We are starting with this news which is coming in at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, on Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, who is lodged at this moment at Tihar prison. Now, he had sought permission from the court to allow him to consult his regular doctor through video conferencing. Arvind Kejriwal's application was heard in Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court. Now, ED has opposed Mr. Kejriwal's petition and has said that Arvind Kejriwal is claiming to have high diabetes while he is eating sweets, tea with sugar and mangoes in jail. It has come to, in fact, food habits as far as this case is concerned now. Arvind Kejriwal is trying to create grounds for bail. The court has sought report from Tihar administration on Arvind Kejriwal's diet. The next hearing will be on Friday.
Sir, ED has stated that Kejriwal is having mangoes, tea with high sugar. It has been alleged.
The matter is sub judice before the court. He is only eating what has been prescribed by the doctors, and this is an issue made by ED so that his home cooked food also should be stopped. This concerns the health. We are very concerned, and whatever he is taking is as per the doctor's prescription. Otherwise, the matter is sub judice. We don't want to say something.
But he was saying that he is having mango sweets and tea with sugar in the.
Whatever he is having is as per the doctor's prescribed diet. I don't want to say anything much.
सर वो क्या मिठाई खा रहे थे
सर क्या जेल में केजरीवाल को मिठाई और
वही बताया जो बताया आपने
Diet chart has been placed before the court. The diet chart had mangoes and sweets. We placed before the court. Regularly consuming sweet foods, which is not permitted for any diabetes patient. I don't want to make any further comments. Matter is pending before the court.
सर यही वजह है शुगर बढ़ने की
They have withdrawn, but the person is in court's custody, and it is the duty of the court to take care to ensure that they are not being a hazard to themselves.
सर त्यार जैसे रिपोर्ट भी मंगाई है सर कोर्ट ने
Yes.
कब पेश करनी है सर
No further comments. कल के लिए लगा. Thank you.
Meanwhile, let me go across to my colleague Aishwarya, who is joining us with more details on this. Aishwarya, mangoes, sugar and tea, now the bone of contention. It has come to this.
Well, certainly. For the fact of the matter, Ankit, we all know that Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is highly diabetic. And remember that press conference done by Atishi as well, who stated that Arvind Kejriwal's health condition in Tihar prison is not so good. His sugar levels are continuously fluctuating, and that's what also Enforcement Directorate today told the court, that the sugar levels went as low as 46 and it is fluctuating on a daily basis. So there was a plea that was filed by Arvind Kejriwal in the Rouse Avenue court to have regular checkups of his sugar level and also to consult his doctor via video conferencing on a daily basis. Now, in reply to that, a response was given by Enforcement Directorate, and it was claimed by Enforcement Directorate that it is Arvind Kejriwal, while being highly diabetic, he is eating mangoes, he is having sweets, and also he is taking tea with sugar, and this Enforcement Directorate is claiming to get bail, and if his health condition deteriorates, then this could be one of the grounds to get him bail from Tihar prison. Now, interestingly, it is also the counsels of Arvind Kejriwal who told that Enforcement Directorate is just making these claims so that they can be in media, and certainly these are just for grabbing more eyeballs and headlines, but it is Aam Aadmi Party who had been stating for a very long time that Arvind Kejriwal's health condition is not so good, and that's what also was reiterated by Bhagwant Mann, who met Arvind Kejriwal inside Tihar prison as well. But certainly now it has come down to the eating habits of Arvind Kejriwal, as this is something which Arvind Kejriwal's counsel had mentioned, although in the last statement made by Enforcement Directorate, I beg your pardon, Arvind Kejriwal's counsel, it has stated that they will come up with a fresh application which they will be rewriting it, and they are withdrawing this application as of now.